Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more complex designs. Okay, so with this, we're actually going to work on how to make an Ankara earring. Okay, so we are using 2 inches, okay, 2 inches of the fabric width, and then the length is actually 8 inches. Okay, so with an earring like this, if you sew a cloth and your fashion design, you actually work with your matching.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes damage.
Actually, turn it to join it like this. Then you use your shirt to seal it. Okay, please make sure the intervals is super close, so that it wouldn't be that obvious that there has been some stitches like that there. Try as much as possible to hide stitches, to hide the shirt color. Like, even though it's a matching shirt, try so much possible so it wouldn't show. Okay, try so hard that you don't show the thread. Okay, you don't show traces of it at the right side. Okay, so when you get to this end like this, so this is how it actually, that is how it is looking. Okay, this is it, this is how it is looking. Okay, so when you're done with it, you get your pearl or any ball you have around. I'm actually using this ball, I think, because of the whites. Okay, it will make it extra pop, and it will make it extra popping, then I look extra nicer. Okay, so I'm basically choosing this ball to work with. Okay, so I'll put it, you know, and then please, I hope you're looking at what I'm doing, like this. Yes, so like that, and then ta-da, this is the outfit. So you actually pick your earring hook like this, then you use your plier to actually open it. Okay, like this. So after that, you give a notch. Okay, very small notch. that you can put the hoop actually through. So that's how much I gave. Then you use your plier to actually hit you like this. Then you hook it back. So after this, you're done with your earring.